think they can dig through the snow very easily. What do you have to say about that, Evelyn? Can you dig through the snow?
Yeah, I can dig through the snow real fast. Fuck that shit, nigga. Get the fuck out of here. Snooks.
Oh, I watched the video of her getting punched in the face, the dude. Because you know how they don't show it on the show? The dude hit her so hard.
I know.
It was really quick. He was like, BAM! And just like knocked, like BAM! And she knocked out. Did you see her?
I'm surprised she didn't have any teeth or anything.
The dude's a pussy.